Hey guys, it's me back on Ascension. Today I'll be shooting a tutorial on how to make an easy paper Noro mask from Tokyo Ghoul. So we are going to start things off with our trusty white A4 paper. So we'll fold it in half, like we always have. Actually I probably should not have done that because this mask does not need a lot of mirroring. Alright, I'll use a different A4. You know what? Let's not fold it into half this time. This time we'll just wing it. We just need to try and make like an oval shape, like that. Bit more sharper at the end. Alright, so let's cut it out first. Now this is a bit more riskier than what I'm used to. I just mirror everything on the left side to the right side like I did with this mask and like literally every other mask I've made. But this time I won't be doing that. It's more like I don't have the opportunity of doing that. So carefully we're going to cut out the shape of the mask. Oops, went outside. Okay, so that's actually very nice. No, it's not. This one's a bit more curved. I need it to be less curved, and in order to do that I will be cutting it like this. Okay, I think that's much better. Alright, so pretty sure that works much well now. So next up we will be drawing the mouth, the lips actually. Let's do on this side. It's got very big lips. It's not big lips, just big smile. So one right there, one mark right there. Alright, so our mouth is going to be that big, maybe even bigger. So we've got this V shape right there. And then, okay, it's like a mango. Wait, it's not centered, is it? Alright, almost ruined it. I wish I had my ruler right now with me. I could measure things out. So probably that's the center, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is make a mango like shape. I don't know how to refer to that shape. It's pretty much like this. Okay, just like that. Actually, that's good. Those are good. This one's not good. That's a bit too much curved. Need it to be more curved, actually, more flat, like this. And to make things seem even fair, let's curve this one into a circle. Okay. Alright. I'm pretty sure that's the best we can do right now. So let's make the mouth next. And the mouth, both the upper teeth and lower teeth seem fairly equal in shape. Now we have to make a tangent line right there. Well, not the mathematical tangent. Like in art we don't typically draw 3 lines from the same point in cases where of 2 different objects, but right now we are. Maybe that's one of the things that the mangaka thought would add to the fear factor. So that's my teeth. Now that just looks funny right at the moment. Looks like big lips. Okay, slight corrections. That's the upper lips. Oh wait, I forgot to add the lower lip. Who am I kidding? I forget every time. And the lower lip, I'll make it thin so I can compensate for the alcohol marker. Something like this. You'd be okay not making this U-ridge, but I think it adds to the scariness of the entire thing. Now let me count how many teeth he's got. 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. But in other pictures he's got like 8. Should we do 3? Maybe 8. 8 looks good for realistic artworks. So there's 1. And also let's make this less curved. Right, making adjustments along the way. Okay, 1, and then make it like slanted a bit slanted. That makes it look more 3-dimensional. But slant it more as far as, like, the more far you go from the center, make it more slanted. Like this teeth right there, I'm going to make it very much slanted, just like that. Right, that's about it. Now I will be coloring it with my red and black. So I'll see when that's done. Alright, so now we can proceed on to the last step, which is going to be making this look more 3D by folding it in places. I'm not exactly sure. I think 2 right there. Main ones right over at the top right there. Okay. So let's start with the main ones. I think folding right about there. Nope, that's too much. Just a little bit. Just a tiny amount. Fold it up top. And see what happens. That looks okay, so that looks decent enough. Let's replicate that on the other side. You could use glue for this step because this mask is a pretty clean mask, so you wouldn't want yellow tape all over it, I mean. And then let's go 2 folds right down there. One and 2. and I was thinking of adding 2 more folds right there. Tiny folds, very thin ones. Alright, they look fine, except with the top folds. So let me try it one more time without the top ones and I'll see how it looks. Alright, so here it is. Our final Noro mask is completed. I do have one tiny problem with it. The chin is too small, so when you're making it, I think I'd recommend you guys to make the chin a bit more bigger than that. There's not enough white space at the bottom there. And also I went ahead and modified these cuts by taping them from the back because I didn't like the front side being too yellow. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.